Hi everyone, and welcome back to BatteryHacker. Today, we're taking a closer look at the CTEK CT5 12V charger. We'll shed light on its key specifications, explore its features, weigh the pros and cons, and of course, I'll share my personal experience with it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Key specifications. Input voltage, 110 to 240 volts AC, 50 to 60 Hz. Output voltage, 12 volts. Max charging current, 2.3 amperes. Battery capacity, 110 ampere hours for maintenance, up to 50 ampere hours for charging. Battery types: lead acid, lithium-ion. Safety features: spark-proof, reverse polarity protected, short-circuit proof. Warranty: 5 years. The CT5 boasts several features that make it a user-friendly and versatile option for various battery needs. Here's a breakdown of its key functionalities. Multi-stage charging. This ensures optimal charging for your specific battery type, maximizing its lifespan and performance. Reconditioning mode. This can help revive slightly sulfated or neglected batteries, potentially bringing them back to life. Splash and dust-proof design. No worries about using it outdoors or in harsh environments. Automatic operation. Simply connect it, and the CT5 takes care of the rest, preventing overcharging. Compatibility. Works with a wide range of 12-volt lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries commonly found in cars, motorcycles, ATVs, and more. Let's move to its pros and cons. Pros. Versatile compatibility with various vehicle types. Efficient and optimized charging. Long-term battery maintenance for extended lifespan. User-friendly design with clear LED indicators. Safety features including spark-free operation and reverse polarity protection. Cons. Limited compatibility with certain battery types. Limited output for rapid charging or larger batteries. Now let me share with you my personal experience. As a vehicle owner who values reliability and convenience, I've found the CTEK CT5 to be an invaluable addition to my toolkit. Its ease of use and advanced features have made battery maintenance a breeze, allowing me to focus on enjoying my vehicle without worrying about unexpected battery issues. Whether I'm hitting the road in my car or exploring off-road trails on my ATV, I can trust the CT5 to keep my battery in prime condition. Overall, I highly recommend the CTEK CT5 to any vehicle owner looking for a reliable and efficient battery charger. So, that's it for today's review of the CTEK CT5 charger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to BatteryHacker for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.